Question 23. 3/4 take away 3/8. Now, basically, when we are adding or subtracting fractions, we need to have a common denominator. So we need a common denominator. That means we need this number on the bottom of the fraction to be the same. It's almost like the unit. So it's like when you're dealing with centimetres and metres. You really need them to be in the same unit. And what we're dealing with here is quarters and eighths. And it's going to make much more sense for us to turn those into the same unit. So the easiest thing we can do, we need to turn either the 4 into the 8 or the 8 into the 4. So the easiest thing to do is actually just to double the 4. So if you double the 4, so 4 times by 2 gives you 8. You're turning quarters into eighths by timesing by the 4 by 2. But whatever you do to the bottom number, you must also do to the top number. So if we're timesing the 4 by 2 to get 8, we've got to times the 3 by 2 to get 6. And what we've actually done there is we've made an equivalent fraction. So 3/4 and 6/8 are actually equivalent. They are worth the same thing. So now we're dealing with 6/8. We can keep the 3/8. We don't need to do anything to the 3/8. So keep the 3/8 as it is. So we're basically saying 6/8 take away 3/8. And it's like saying 6 oranges take away 3 oranges. Well, 6 oranges take away 3 oranges would be 3 oranges. 6 apples take 3 apples would be 3 apples. So 6/8 take away 3/8 would be 3/8. So our final answer is 3/8. Just to prove to you that point about equivalent fractions, if we had a pizza in quarters and we shaded in 3/4, that would look like this: 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. But if we had a pizza that was in eighths, so there's 4 pieces, and remember to split quarters into eighths, you split each quarter in half, and then you've got 8 bits. Well, 6/8 here would be 6 of these pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as you can see, this fraction of the pizza, which was 3/4, is same as this fraction of the pizza, which is 6/8. So they are actually identical and equivalent fractions. So 6/8 take away 3/8 leaves you with 3/8, and that is your final answer. But just remember, if you're adding or taking away fractions that haven't got the same denominators, you need to change one of the denominators into the other one and then do it.